Hello and welcome to our new channel from Scratch Studio. In this channel, we will demonstrate you how to create custom kitchens in Revit and 3ds Max. My name is John and I'm an architect. I'm going to show you tutorials on Revit. We will start today with the creation of a stainless steel kitchen. Specifically, in this video we will focus on the kitchen island, which will be the first part of the 3-video series. The creation of the fixed kitchen and the rendering will follow in the upcoming videos. We will start now by showing you here in Revit the final form that the island we're going to build will have. It will be almost like that. Now let's start and try to design it step by step. So we're going to File, New, Family, and we want to create a new generic model family. And the first thing we have to do is to change the units. We press UN. We want to design in meters. Next, we will create some reference planes to help us with the accuracy of our island's dimensions. More specifically, the island will be 2.4 meters long, 0.90 meter wide, and also it will be 90 centimeters tall. It should be noted that the island we're going to build consists of a 55 centimeter sink, an induction hob, and a dishwasher. We are now ready to start designing the metal frame of the island. But before that, as we already said, we will start with the reference plane for our basic dimension. So with RP, DI, we'll have one total distance, and we will call it as length. And then for the width, again reference planes, here and here. (62.5 centimeters), and the rest will be 27.5 centimeters. Again, we will have the total distance, and we will call it as our width. Perfect. We have to refer that here in 62.5 centimeters, the countered overhang will be located, where we will have comfortable stool sittings. The material of our countertop will be inox. Next, we will move to our front elevation here. Again, RP. And we will define our height. (92 centimeters). Again, we'll call it as a parameter our height. And we will create one more here. That will be 1 centimeter. And one more. That will be again 1 centimeter. It's where our metal frame will end. We will define the 10 centimeters open space under the metal frame that will be used instead of a toe kick. We are now ready to design the metal frame of our island. I will go to a right elevation. As we can see, this one is 90. This one it's 10. The metal frame is 2.5 square centimeters. So we will go here to the extrusion command. As we said, until 90. We have that one, this one at this moment. We'll go to offset 2.5 centimeters. We will pick also this line, offset, 2.5 here. Okay. Okay, and we are ready. We'll put also 2.5 centimeters here. We're going to reference level. Perfect. We will create two new reference planes here and here. Now we will align here our metal frame. We will lock it again here, and we will copy this one here. Perfect. Now we need to join these two metal frames together to form one. After we have made the metal frame at both ends of our island, we will now create the vertical connection between them. So again, we're going here. It starts from 87.5 centimeters to 90 centimeters. Perfect. And of course, we can copy it here to the other side. Okay, this is our 3D model at this moment. Two more at the edges where the kitchen box will be placed. So it's here. We will create two more. Let's go again to the reference level. And our new metal frame will be here, but it will start from 10 centimeters until 12.5. You can see it here. And the other one will be in 62.5 centimeters as we said earlier, where will be the overhang of our countertop. So if we see this thing here, it's correct. We're going again to extrusion command here. We'll define its height, it's correct, and you can see it again here, perfect. Then we will add two metal legs for extra support and to prevent bending. So we're going to front view, and in the middle here. That's why it's really important to work with reference planes, because it's easier to understand your model and to avoid mistakes. Here again. We'll fix now where we'll have to place it. Again here and here. And also we need to copy this one and we will copy it here. Okay, now our model is perfect and we are ready to continue with the creation of our kitchen box. The island box will house the kitchen fixtures and its height will be from 12.5 centimeters to 90 centimeters. We will set initially the width at 90 centimeters and we will modify it later on. It's important to tell you that the kitchen cabinet is 1.6 centimeters thick, while the metal frame is 2.5 centimeters thick. Therefore, its installation will create a beautiful and impressive 0.9 centimeter gap. So firstly, we want to define the reference planes. Again, extrusion. We will create our kitchen box. Here. But as we said, we have to define the reference planes. So here, 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 and here. Okay, distance now. As we said, it should be 0.9 centimeter. Is it correct? Yes. Okay, and we will align or move our box here. Perfect. Perfect. Let's see it in our 3D. Beautiful. Here, as we said, we will modify it to have the overhang. Perfect. Now it's time to define where the kitchen fixtures will be located. Again, reference level. We will have 55 centimeter length for the sink, 60 for the dishwasher, and also 60 for the induction hob. While another 60 centimeters will remain as an open space. Once we have defined all the stuff, we will create the voids for our kitchen cabinets. Again, reference plane. '60, 60 again, '60, and the rest is also 60 centimeters. Our sink will be 55 centimeters to 45. So we're going to RP here and here. Perfect. Also here. And the other stuff it's ready. So we can already create the box for our sink. Maybe we can also, I can do it with the void extrusion. We will offset it 2.5 centimeters to make it 55. And it will be 22 centimeters its height, the height of our sink. So 70, 92. If we go here, okay, we already have our hole, but before that we need to create our countertop. So again, extrusion, it will start from 91 to 92, and maybe we can fill it here a little bit, the edges, like this one, all of our edges. Okay, perfect. Perfect, amazing. Let's see it now. Okay, can hide it. We'll make here the void bigger. we want to cut. Perfect. Now we are ready to continue. So it's time to define the voids of our kitchen cabinets. The voids will be 1 by 1 centimeter. We will go here and we have from this part the voids of the kitchen cabinets. I can offset it. It's this thing here. I can also make it a little bigger and I can copy it here and here. And it will start from 12.5 centimeters until 90 centimeters. Let's give a look. So yeah, until here. And we can cut it from our box. Now we have our kitchen cabinets. Here will be our sink. Here we will have our dishwasher. So those two will leave them as they are, and probably it will work with push button. This one will have the adduction hob that its machine is 22 centimeters and the other one will be free. So we're going to the back view and we will create again some voids to those two. And as we know, we have the 22 centimeters. Here. And the rest is 53. Okay, perfect. So we can move this one here. We will offset it. It's important to set the work plane here. Okay. Let's check how it looks. Perfect here. Yes. And also we can create one more void here. All of them will be push buttons. We will not have handles. Perfect. Perfect. We are ready here. Now we have to remove the box that is unnecessary and we want to have our countertop overhang. So we're going to our reference level. Void. From 12.5 centimeters to 87.5. Let's give it a look. It seems correct. Perfect. Maybe we can create also one void here to have two pieces of MDF pressed with metal cabinet, and it won't be only one because it's more expensive. It's much more difficult to place it and to move it. So we're going to reference level. No. And here we will create also one more void. And let's see it now. So it's perfect, I think. Yeah. We can see it also to our shaded display. So this is our kitchen island. If you have made it this far and want to watch our next new parts, please subscribe. If you find the video informative, please hit the like button. Parts 2 and 3 of the stainless steel kitchen of course will follow, as well as the creation of the metal kitchen in 3ds Max. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time.